You're driving, and suddenly, a strange light pops up on your dash. Is it nothing, or is your car about to break down? In this video, we're decoding every dashboard, warning light, what each one means, and how the color of the light can tell you how serious it is. Stick around, because knowing these lights could save you thousands in repairs. What warning light colors mean? Before we break them down, here's the Buki to dashboard warning colors. Red, danger. Stop driving immediately. Yellow or amber. Caution. Needs attention soon. Green, system active. Just an indicator. Blue, info only. Usually lights or tech features. Now let's go from most serious to least, starting with red. Red is critical warning lights. These mean you should pull over immediately or call for help. Engine oil pressure light means your engine is low on oil pressure. No oil flow means metal on metal, and metal on metal means engine damage in minutes. Action. Stop driving, check oil, or call roadside assistance. Engine temperature warning means your engine is overheating. Action. Stop immediately, let the engine cool. Battery charge warning means alternator failure. Your car will eventually lose electrical power. Action. Get to a mechanic or shut off electronics to extend driving time. Brake system warning means greater than parking brake engaged, low brake fluid, or system failure. Action. Check brakes. Don't drive if braking feels weak. Flashing check engine light means major misfire, may damage catalytic converter. Action. Stop and get a scan immediately. Yellow, amber, moderate issues. These aren't emergencies, but shouldn't be ignored. Check engine light, solid, and means could be anything from emissions to a bad sensor. Action. Get the code red within a few days. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, means one or more tires underinflated. Action. Use a tire gauge. Inflate to the proper PSI. ABS warning light means anti-lock braking system disabled. Action. Braking works, but no ABS in emergencies. Traction control warning means a system is either active, slippery road, or disabled due to error. Action. Drive carefully. Repair if it stays on. Airbag warning. Lightish means airbags may not deploy in an accident. Action. Get it fixed ASAP. Green, blue, information and reminders. These lights are on informational. No need to panic. Washer fluid low means add washer fluid. Service reminder maintenance light means time for an oil change or regular service. Door ajar, trunk open means a door or trunk isn't fully shut. Fuel level warning means fill up soon, usually comes on with 30 to 50 miles of range left. Light bulb failure means a headlight, brake light, or other exterior light is out. Green and blue status lights. These show that features or systems are working as intended. Cruise control active means cruise is engaged. Turn signal indicators means self-explanatory. Fast blinking equals bad bulb. High beam indicator means greater than high beams are on. Four-wheel drive, show, all-wheel drive. Lock indicator means confirms your drivetrain is in four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive mode. Eco mode or sport mode means drive mode status. Advanced warning lights in modern cars. Lane departure warning means you're drifting without signaling. Collision warning means you're approaching another car too fast. Blind spot monitor means someone is in your blind spot. Auto starter stop light means system is engaged to save fuel. Remember, red means stop now. Yellow mean check soon. Green means system on. Blue mean info only. Don't guess when a light comes on. Learn your dash, save money, and stay safe. If this helped you understand your car better, give it a like, hit subscribe, and comment below if you've ever had a mystery warning light. Up next, check out our video on Top 5 Reasons Your Check Engine Light is On and how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and listen when your dashboard talks to you.